You're not really that way, are you?
Not in reality. When I get out on the gym floor, I'm serious. But when I like to have fun.
What kind of fun do you like to have?
All kinds of fun.
You're 17 years old. That's getting up there in the world of gymnastics. Are you over the hill?
No, I'm probably just climbing up the slopes, really, but I don't think I'm over the hill.
Do you feel like you missed anything in high school because of all the traveling and gymnastics?
Probably the social aspect, but I went to an all-girls school, so, I mean, there wasn't much fun there at all.
What about boyfriends?
What about them?
Don't you have any around the world?
No.
In the gym, she's very serious, okay? Solely because of concentration. There's a lot of pressure on her in all the meets that she goes to, and she needs to be serious. She can't let her mind wander.
I try to treat every competition as it is my last and most important. And, you know, the Olympic trials is still the Olympic trials. Still qualify for the Olympic team, and to be on the Olympic team is an honor in itself.
Now let's do a thing where I will just name names of gymnasts. You give me your reaction.
Okay.
Kurt Thomas.
Married.
Bart Connor.
Available.
Jim Hartung.
Sexy.
Phil Cahoy.
Hey. Good guy. Real nice.
Tracy Talavero.
Good kid. Funny.
Julianne McNamara.
Compact. Strong. Bull.
Marcia Frederick.
if